Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can schedule blog posts in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Wix, and when you're going to be here, click on schedule, and then you want to create a new post. Right here, you just add a catchy title, some description, whatever, right? And then you're going to see like the settings here, and you have like publish now or schedule post right here. And you can simply, when do you want to publish your post? 22, okay, and schedule. And now post scheduled for October 22, click edit, and voila, you got it. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, goodbye.